Real
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Parker County and northwestern Tarrant County until 8:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Lake Weatherford, 8 miles southwest of Azle, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Everyone in the Azle area should be taking shelter at this moment. This is a radar-indicated rotation in this particular tornado warning, but there is strong indication that this dangerous storm will be near Reno by 7:50, Azle, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Pelican Bay by 7:55, Pecan Acres and Blue Mound by 8:05, Saginaw by 8:10, and then areas of Keller, Roanoke, and Hazlet by around 8:15. Once again, a tornado warning issued for northeastern Parker County and northwestern Tarrant County until 8:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is near Lake Weatherford, 8 miles southwest of Azle, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Azle is in the direct path of this storm. Everyone in Azle should be taking shelter at this moment. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
enslaved me would be super angry if they knew I snuck away. It makes visiting my family really scary.
That's a